Dear students, today we will do few more questions from exercise 7.4. Here in question number 1, we are given to find the ratio in which this line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divide the line segment joining the point 2 minus 2 and 3 and 7. So here we have a line segment AB. Its endpoints are given to us, that is 2 and minus 2, and the other endpoint is 3 and 7. And this line segment is intersected by another line, and the equation of the line is 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this line, it is intersected at the point x and y, and we are required to find out the ratio in which this line segment is divided. So children, let us say that the ratio in which the line is divided is k is to 1. The ratio we are taking as k is to 1, and the point at which the line segment is intersected by the given line is p, x and y. So coordinate of x will be calculated by section formula k multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 divided by k plus 1. We have used this formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So we got x is equal to 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. Now y is equal to, similarly by applying the section formula you will find out the value of y. So y is equal to k into 7 minus plus 1 multiplied by minus 2, so you will get minus 2, and this is divided by k plus 1. Here we are using the formula, section formula. By section formula we are getting it. We are getting it by section formula. So this is the value of x and y that we have got by section formula. And this point lies on this line, that means this is a solution of this line. Therefore it will satisfy this line. This you have done in class 9th. If a point lies on a line, that is the solution of the line, and therefore whatever is the value of x and y we got, we will put it in this, and that will definitely becomes equal to 0. It will satisfy this line as it is the solution of it. Now children, in the denominator we have k plus 1 here, we have denominator k plus 1 here. So we will multiply the whole equation by k plus 1. So this is the first term, this is the first term. I multiply this by k plus 1, this k plus 1 and k plus 1 will get cancelled, and I will multiply 2 inside, so it will be 6k plus 4. Similarly, when I multiply k plus 1 with this one, so k plus 1 and k plus 1 will get cancelled, and we will have 7k minus 2. Now this is the third term, and I have to multiply it by k plus 1, and when I open the bracket it will become minus 4k minus k equal to 0. Now this 4 and this 4, they are cancelling each other, so we are left with 6k plus 7k, that is 13k, minus 4k, so that means 9k, and 4 and 4 are already cancelled, so we are left with only minus 2 equal to 0. Bring it that side and take the 9 that side, so it will be k is equal to 2 by 9. Since the ratio is k is to 1, that means the ratio in which the given line segment is divided is 2 is to 9. I hope you are getting it. Now let's move to the next question. In the next question we are given to find this relation between x and y if the point xy 1, 2, 7 and 0 are collinear. So children, here we are given 3 points and we need to check whether these 3 points are collinear, or sorry, we are given that these 3 points are collinear. We need to find out the relation between x and y. Children, whenever the points are collinear, when you calculate m1 by m2 by x, all the x, there are two ways of getting m1 by m2. Either you can get it by using all the x coordinates, or you can get the ratio of m1 by m2 by y coordinates. Since the points are collinear, this ratio will definitely the same. Whenever the points are collinear, the ratio when calculated by using x and the ratio when calculated by y, all the y's, is always the same. So first we will find m1 by m2 using all the x. So that is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x, and that will give us 1 minus 6, 1 minus x divided by 7 minus 1 again. That means this is 1 minus x upon 6. Similarly, m1 upon m2 is equal to y minus y1. So y is 2 here and y1 is y, and 0 minus y2 is 0. y2 is given 0 minus y, so that is 2, is equal to 2 minus y upon minus 2. Now both these will be equal as the points are given collinear. So when you equate and cross multiply, you will get the equation x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. This equation gives us the relation between x and y. I hope you understood. That's all for this video. We will meet with few more questions of the same exercise in our next video.